30th. It's early morning. Petra's still sleeping. Yesterday we got all of our packing supplies in. They are everywhere. And right behind me on the table here is the first official packed box. Well, I've been at it about 2 hours, and I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 boxes of books done. Unfortunately, that's not all of them. There's still about 6 boxes upstairs to do. But the bookshelves in here, for the most part, are empty. Have you ever wondered what 750 pounds worth of books looks like? This is it right here. That is 21 boxes. 750 pounds, 340 kilos worth of books. And we are done for the day. That's actually a fairly big pile. There's 27 boxes there total. Yeah, about 1,000 pounds worth of stuff. That's enough for one day. Time to have a beer.